I hate doing teaser videos. I just don't like doing them, but tonight we're going to do a little update, little teaser. Got John.
Hi guys.
From the Fox shop here. We've been working all afternoon and pretty much all day preparing for this bumper project. Writing notes down, taking notes, asking Mr. Shield a lot of questions on this. But so far so good. We're going to probably put a few more tacks on this thing and go start the barbecue very soon. And yeah, we got some tri-tip that's going on the grill, but you guys want to see, take a look at this. This is just super cool. This is awesome. This is the same bumper that's on Mr. Fox's truck over here. If you don't know who I'm talking about, go check out John at the Fox shop.
I hope that bumper right there.
That bumper is what we're building. So we're all doing well. We're having a lot of fun. It's a little stressful getting all these videos out every day, and but at the same time, we're having a lot of fun doing it. John's, are you enjoying your accommodations out front?
I'm having a great time.
So we got thunderstorms. It's been 98, 99 degrees all day, but we got thunderstorms moving in. It's raining over there. Tomorrow is up in the air what we're going to be doing, but we still have to figure out the bull bar on this bumper. I don't think I'm going to have a video out tomorrow. I don't know. I might just do a blog about what we've done here so far, but I'm kind of doing that right now. So yeah, anything to add, John?
Check out my channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell on both of our channels. You're not going to want to miss it. So that's pretty much all I have.
And it's hot out.
Weather report, it's hot.
It is hot. Guys, we have those die cut stickers. I was saying die cast. I guess it's die cut stickers. Those acrylic stickers. I'm going to put that in the link below. Go check those out. That's a limited time. There they are. Those are going to be acrylic cut. You're not going to want to miss out on those. I can't wait to get one for the fridge over there. I'm going to stick it on the fridge. So with that being said, guys, everything's going good. Kyle is actually out at the truck working on core support stuff. He's unbolting the bed so he can slide the bed back and get the bed into place. But what a day. We've got the hard stuff done. Now we're going to be welding all evening. And then we got some other parts and things need to go on this bumper. But all right, guys.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Oh, you haven't flipped around the other way. Okay.
Yeah, my channel. No, it's flipped your way, John. They're already subscribed. Go check out John. Yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about. Guys, I hope everybody's doing good tonight. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time on Central Oregon Shenanigans. Woo-hoo!